What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about OXT, Cardano, and Chainlink. So let's just first dive into the charts of OXT. As I said in my live stream yesterday, I kind of expected us to fall down to this area, the 43-cent area, as support. Just that's where there was some heavy price action at least on the daily, and we did. We held this as support. I mentioned that in the OXT live stream about a week or two ago. And look, that's actually what happened. Now, if we break this, I would expect us to fall down a little bit lower. But hey, we held this as support. That's what's up. And we're starting to move our way up. So guys, as long as we can hold this as support and keep the upward momentum, that's great for the price of OXT. And then as you guys are now aware, the CEO of OXT is Stephen Waterhouse. So he tweeted out yesterday that OXT was put on a new exchange. So as you guys can see, OXT hops on BKEX. So OXT is on another exchange. That's great. That means more liquidity. That means more people are able to buy it. If I'm not mistaken, this is more for the Asian market. And guys, in 2017, a lot of the crypto action was actually in the Asian markets. So keep in mind that I believe the Asians like crypto more than Americans. So let's get them some more access to more crypto. And then I'm not sure if you guys were aware, but Dr. Stephen Waterhouse, the CEO of OXT, was also on SmartCon talking about how cryptocurrencies are evolving the privacy market. So that also has something to do with the price action yesterday. But keep in mind, as long as we can hold this upward momentum, I predict we'll see higher highs then. So let's see. Let's just hold this as support. If we would break this, then I would be concerned. Alrighty, guys, let's move on to Cardano. So let's just start out with the charts. Here's the chart for Cardano. As I said yesterday in my live stream, I thought it was a great buy to buy up under 11 cents just because ever since that Shelly launch, all that hype around there, it popped up to 15 cents, as you guys can see up here. Now we fell back down. That's great. If we don't hold this area, I definitely expect us to come down to this area, which is around 8 cents, 8-cent region. But hey, Cardano, they have some great news coming out, and they have some high expectations that they have to hold themselves to. So we're going to dive into that. But just looking at the chart, as long as we can hold this upward momentum right here on the daily, we'll see a higher price action. Just hold it right here. And going over to Cointelegraph, it says a new Cardano-based project is handling oracles a lot differently than Chainlink. So guys, Cardano is getting into the whole Oracle things like Chainlink, but they're going to do it way differently. So it says ADA is getting into data oracles ahead of the Guaran era that will add smart contract functionality, taking a different approach than Chainlink. The first oracles are being built in a partnership with Emergo, one of the companies in the Cardano ecosystem, and Ergo, ERG. The first two oracles are deployed on Ergo and provide price feeds for the two trading pairs, ADA/USD and ERG/USD. So guys, they're doing something slightly different than Chainlink. So this is, some competition. That's great to have competition in the space because then we'll get the better product for the end user. And just scrolling through here, it's like at the end, they say rumors started speculating when the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, tweeted about talking to Chainlink's co-founder, Sergey Nazarov. Some were expecting an announcement to be made soon about Cardano integrating Chainlink's oracles. However, thus far, these rumors have not materialized. Likely, Cardano is in no hurry, as there is little use in oracles before the Guaran era. At the same time, it allows it time to test oracle infrastructure developed in-house. Hey guys, do you think that Cardano is actually going to be working with Chainlink in the future? Do you think there's gonna, be some kind of partnership? Let me know down in the comments below, because I believe if that would happen, that would be huge. On to some more news about Cardano. It says Cardano, Hoskinson unveils the roadmap for September. So the roadmap for ADA is being, revealed in September. And for October. It says the roadmap for coming month of September foresees further performance improvements, new wallet functions, and more active marketing for Cardano. The release of their new, it's called Godwin, will make Cardano extremely competitive in the DeFi space, with first use cases such as stablecoins, oracles, and decentralized exchanges already in the pipeline. Guys, they're talking big talk. Let's see if they can actually execute all this talk. because having stable coins, oracles, and a decentralized exchanges, that's what's up. So it says in a new video by Charles spoke about the goals for Cardano in September. As the IOHK CEO pointed out, within the next few weeks, his team will continue to focus on improving the performance of Cardano infrastructure. Thus, IOHK will continue its work of the last weeks. With the release of Node version 1.19 and Daedalus version 2.2 a few hours ago, great progress has again been in this area, as Charles noted, and has also been confirmed by the community. Guys, keep in mind, like Cardano has been just continually improvements. They have continued improvements, slow but surely they're getting there. So these guys can execute on their game plan. So I expect this stuff to come out. I'll just get some highlights from the bottom here. Like right here's one highlight. Once you have these three things, we are extremely competitive for the DeFi. There will be a lot of cool things that will make Cardano the desired platform for a beautiful DeFi portfolio. Guys, they're trying to get into that. Those people are getting into DeFi because they want those gains, and they want to make ADA part of those gains, guys. Let's see if they can make it happen. But this one right here at the bottom, the marketing comes, and it comes with full force. September will be the first month that we start to ramp this up, and we'll really see the impact in October, November, and beyond. Guys, I'm kind of excited for Cardano. I do own a little bit of Cardano, and I mean, they have such high expectations. They're giving their investors such high expectations. I just hope they can actually execute on time. The keyword on time, because as you guys can see with Ethereum and other projects, sometimes when they have an update or they're trying to roll something out, it just takes longer than expected. There's a coding error, there's something wrong. They have to just spend more time on the coding process. And I hope they can make this happen. I hope they can be part of a beautiful DeFi portfolio, because that would be great. All right, guys. As I said, the last thing we talk about today is Chainlink. Let's pull up the Chainlink chart. Here we go, link the USD. Hey guys, it hit $20. Now it's back down at $15.71. So buying in this area, like below 15 bucks was a great buy, great buy. It looks like, we fell back down, we consolidated, we built some support. As long as we hold this as support and keep going up, it's looking good to me, because I would not want to see Cardano fall back down to $7, $8 area. And I guess it's possible, but as of right now, we are holding this as support. So as of right now, it looks like it's just going to go up. But just remember, we don't want to break this right here. If we do, it's no bueno, okay? So let's go to an article by CoinDesk. It's about Chainlink acquires blockchain oracle solution from Cornell University. So it says Chainlink has acquired Cornell University's privacy oracle solution, DECO, for an undisclosed amount. That means that like they're not saying how much they paid for it. This is Chainlink's second acquisition to date, according to an announcement made by the firm on Saturday. So it says that DECO was co-created by Ari Joel, I'm not sure if that's how you say his name, former chief scientist at digital security firm RSA, who will also join Chainlink Labs as part of the deal under the same title. Guys, that sounds like a big deal for Chainlink, guys. Why isn't Chainlink pumping harder than it is today? I mean, this sounds like some great news. Let's just scroll down just a little bit. And it says DECO claims to leverage how HTTPS/TLS information is transmitted for more secure web practices, according to a release from the firm. Guys, this is a big deal. Making HTTPS/TLS, more secure, a better, possibly decentralized, just making it better for the end user, more safer. That's a big deal, guys. And if they can actually execute on this, that would be great. It also says that DECO is also useful for users who want to monetize their own data without giving away anything but the data they are selling. Guys, we give all our data away for free, and then these companies sell it and it's all out there. So I would rather, if my data is going to be out there, at least get paid for it. So hey, this they might make that happen. And I thought one of their decentralized credit, the one example they had here says, for example, he said, DECO can prove a person is over 18 by pulling data from a DMV while hiding the individual's birth date. That's interesting. You can pull the data from the DMV, which obviously has their birth date and all their information, but you can tell if they're over 18, and you're not even showing the person's birth date, guys. That is that kind of shocks me, because I was like, oh, okay, so they can verify you're over 18 but not even see your birthday. Interesting. That just means that the code's doing that, and now you're not exposing personal data. To me, that is great. Alrighty, guys, just wrapping things up with Chainlink, and let's just do a little wrap up here on all the 3 coins I mentioned. Chainlink, like I said, we're looking good. We're looking good as long as we hold this area. And we're gonna go back to Cardano. With Cardano, it's pretty much like the same thing. Like Cardano's been, consolidating for a while, going down. So hopefully we can build this as a base and pump our way up. And then last but not least, OXT. Like I said, that's looking beautiful. That yesterday's candle is looking good. Pumped up to 54 cents. Now we're just consolidating right here. Let's see another pump the next day or two. Alrighty, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment. Invest at your own risk. If you guys liked the video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more content. The Crypto Homie is signing out.